channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and then every time I post a new wig related video, you will get a reminder letting you know that I have posted something new. So I thought that I would do a separate video and compare, actually put on, this is Ellen Wille Young Mono, and I also have here Ellen Wille Elite. And I'm gonna show you Young Mono on, and then we'll compare it to Elite, because I think these are, you know, kind of sister styles. I love Elite, is one of my favorite bobs of all time. And so I just thought I would just do a quick video and kind of compare the two, because I thought you might have questions. So anyway, so here's Young Mono. They both have the same cap construction, both have lace front, left mono part. They're both from the Hair Power collection. So Young Mono is just a tad bit shorter. So she's more like right to chin length. So I'll do a turn. Okay, and now we can look at Elite. I don't have Elite's measurements right in front of me. I apologize for that, but I know you all are savvy. You can find them online. So here is Elite. Now this Elite is a little bit, she's kind of aging a bit, so her fibers are starting to clump just a tad. She's short, so it's not too bad, but you know, you can just see the difference in brand new, I can tell the difference in brand new fibers versus this wig that I have just worn and worn and worn. So anyway, so when we look at Elite, we can see Elite is definitely longer. Young Mono was sitting right there, right at the chin, and Elite is coming down a bit longer, but not too much. You know, she's still short, she's still above the collar. So I'll show her all the way around. Okay, and I don't have the measurements in front of me, but I will have them when I edit the video. I'll post them, you know, here on the side so you can see the measurements, you know, the comparison of the two. So, but same cap construction, lace front, extended lace front, Hair Power collection. So, same collection, same cap construction. Left side mono part. I think they're actually exactly the same on the inside. Let's just look. Sorry, I'm kind of doing this impromptu, so I'm not super prepared, but I thought it would be helpful for y'all. Yep. Looks the same. The lace on this one's a little bit different, but actually the lace front is not extended on Elite. It goes right to the ear tab, if you notice. And on Young Mono, it goes lower. Young Mono might be a newer style. I don't really know. I just kept seeing it and thought it was super cute. I can't remember what year it came out. Again, I'll find that information when I'm doing my editing. And it'll be writing here by my head. But anyway, same, you know, same cap construction, same monofilament features, you know. So really, really cute. I'm really happy with this young Mono, and as I've already said, Elite is one of my all-time faves. So straightened out here. Okay, so just a quick video comparing the two for y'all. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget you're absolutely beautiful. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Bye.